Hello everybody and welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is gonna be the start of our moving video, but I put on my Instagram house content and like what y'all wanted to see, and y'all said like the whole moving process, so like literally like me packing up my room, packing up the house. So I did this a couple days ago. I went through, like you can see like little things. Obviously I'm getting rid of that. There's just a few pieces that I'm keeping. I'm definitely getting rid of my mirror. I still want to stick with the same vibe. Boho-y kinda-ish meets color popper and black and white Aztec. I don't know what I was going for. The stuff I'm getting rid of over there. There is somebody coming to look at our house right now. So mom has decided that people don't want to see our stuff. They want to see their home that they're gonna be buying. So in this big box is gonna go, and I have color coordinated them and worked so very hard. But now they have to go in a box because my mother is going into clean freak mode. Also, she's already sold our living room furniture and our dining room table. We're practically not even gonna have anything to live in anymore by the time it's actually time to start packing. And time lapse. This is terrible lighting. What am I doing? Amateur YouTuber. There's not gonna be enough room. Oh god. How am I supposed to get out? It's ripping. Mom? Okay, I did it. I have to clean all of this out. I'm not doing that today because I don't have to. Mom bought new furniture before ours is even out of our house, but we can't move it into the new house because we haven't even closed on it yet. So now all of our new furniture has to go in our house that we're moving out of until August 16th. Okay.
Watch out. This
nice.
is a man's job, okay? Please move.
You're doing great.
So can I! I don't know where I'm going though.
Let me go get Jax. You want a handshake? Oh, okay, then get. Oh, we gotta have the thing back. Come on.
Just dropped it.
Is it gonna fit?
Nope.
Yes, it will.
It will fit, guys. Do not say no.
Fingers.
Why are y'all going that way?
Here we go.
Slow.
Oh, you will fit.
Here, Molly.
All right, girls, I'll go get the couch.
Nice.
Grace is like, okay.
I'm busy. It's literally just gonna sit there until August 16th.
Can you help it?
You can't help it?
Them rods won't let us move in.
Mom, you're the one who went and bought it.
It was the last one.
Couch one. Oh boy.
Ow. Oh, my finger's hurting. Good, just go ahead. Yeah.
You're doing great.
You lost the finger?
In my face.
Just a little bit.
It's couch number 2. Here we go.
Will it make it like this?
Yeah.
Guys.
What's that?
Boom!
We now have our
It
new
is
furniture here for the next month and a half. Okay, update. We're closing 3 weeks early on our house. So now we have like a week to pack up our stuff, I think. But Dad planned it perfectly because I've been home a total of 3 days so far in the whole month of July. So now everything has to be rushed packed. Today's a Monday, which me and Jackson leave for a youth camp for 4 days. So we're not even gonna be here to be able to help anybody pack. So Mom's having people come today, Monday, and tomorrow. This is just a little bit of what it looks like. I'm gonna ask her to video some stuff. There's boxes, literally all this junk is just getting thrown in boxes. This is like more stuff that she's packed. Last night was our last night sleeping here, so whenever we get back, the movers will have moved all of our stuff and we'll start staying in the new house.
Smile for the camera.
It looks totally different in this house than it did over there.
Oh, yeah.
snot right out of me. Oh, God. My heart's doing 100 miles an hour. Hey, Bub, that bed, that's going to go on this side of the bed, she said. On this side over here, for that.
Where?
Upstairs. Or they go out your way.
What time are you leaving?
Woo! Oh, shit! Stupid!
I didn't get that
The boy just almost made me poop my pants because he dropped that thing and I thought he run into Derek's wall. My heart almost quit beating. It scared me to death.
Bridget said catch y'all as soon as I got here to tell y'all that Abigail's room needs to move into the study.
Funny. Her bed might fit in that study. Don't look how little her room is.
The study's small.
That's what she said.
I don't care what, I just talked to that fool. Don't come in here lying.
Today is moving day. One load. Derek's office. Abigail's room.
To strategically stack it so that it wouldn't, so that don't get messed up. Plant right there.
Okay.
I took pictures all inside, but I don't know if she got them because she's not getting a very good celery section.
This is for the vlog.
Oh, for the what? Oh, you might not want to take a picture with it empty until it's cleaned.
And it's all gone. Look how dusty. This is how,
I don't know why Bridget don't keep a cleaner house than
this is
this.
how she kept her house.
This is a shame.
Just dust and dog hair.
Yeah, just funk.
Last load. Coming in hot.
It's now Thursday, so it's been like 3 or 4 days. So this is our garage. Sorry, Mom, if you're watching this. Literally everything's just in boxes. So our goal for today is to get everything unpacked. But this is our garage. Dad's truck's in here. This is all boxes need to be unpacked. I'm walking in. Oh my. Okay, so this is when you walk in. We have everything everywhere. Oh, we got a washer and dryer. Some suitcases. Oh, they redid the stairs. Those used to be carpet. They just put wood. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. I'm gonna lose my voice again. What in the world? Oh my goodness. It looks so pretty. It looks like a home. That kind of looks like a magazine, like an unfinished magazine. Okay, I was about to say, I thought our piano was going somewhere. Oh Lord, I can't wait to see their Oh my God. Mom. Why? Let's go see my room. I have to get all new bathroom stuff because literally none of it matches. I had like this boho kind of peach vibe. Now I'm gonna have to go like all black and white, modern-y. Oh my word. Oh my gosh. Dude, there's like 0 floor space. Literally 0. Wow, this is so cool. I might want this room. You think I could fit my bed right there? They would kill me. This is so cool. This is a man cave. Let's see what he thinks. Da 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 da. This is cool. Jackson, give us a reaction. It's cool, dude. You have your own, like, it's so big. I think I might want it now.
Hey, your black desk, it fell apart, so you're going to use this white one. Oh, there's my sunglasses.
I'm putting all my sneakers right here. Also, in this room, I have a second closet, which I love my parents. They were willing to let me take it. And my lovely, lovely, wonderful cousin has put all my clothes there, so I don't even have to do that. This is all my room decor. So I just have like stuff like this. And I'm just setting. I don't even know what to do. And this is pillows. This is like a bajillion hours later. This is what we're looking at. I only have this box in. I have 2 box. Whoa. I have no idea what that is. Okay, I have. Okay. I
of 4 boxes in here. This is all sweatshirts and these long sleeve shirts. I unloaded all my decorations. I'm just putting them on the windowsills until I can find my shelves. This is our final for right now. Whole box is full of decorations and just stuff that goes all over the walls. I'm going to get a shower curtain tonight. I have like the this is my headbands, that stuff. Boom. Come look at my purses.
Oh, look at that. That looks very good.
Come look at my purses.
Look at your what?
Purses.
Your what?
My purses.
I thought you said your braces. How many can you use at one time? They look like they're just sitting there.
They look good though.
They're not color coded. There's the green and the yellow right by each other.
Name the rainbow. Red, orange, yellow, green.
Hey, Jackson, let's look at this bathroom here, Jackson.
Did I ask?
Did we ever ask?
This is a box of decorations that are supposed to go everywhere because my walls are just plain. So we're gonna put those up right now.
Okay, there's that. And then, do I have chili in my teeth?
Mom. Okay, so we're gonna put this right there. So plan is to get a tree for right there.
Or
That's what Mom
get
just said.
Wooden or kind of whatever aesthetic decor plant stand. Put this on it so it's a little higher. And then just hang something right there. Here. This should be a collage wall. This should be something either big or too big. What if you get 2 big canvases of you and Nolan? If it was this, they would divide this in 2.
Oh, and they go together. That would be
And they
cool.
just hang, have fleas. Wally, did you give Grandma fleas? Huh? Told you no if you did.
So Mom's made a collage. This is the collage that is gonna go right there. In 3, 2. This is the collage. She hung up this. She also did this thing. Mom's hanging up this little fringy thing.
Sure I did this the last house?
Uh-huh. Think so. Maybe Chacho did it.
Abigail.
Mom, you have 4 more steps that you go up on.
Oh, it ain't the height. I just don't have any strength.
Looking good, Mom. My cousin Lauren was so nice to give me this lamp. How cute. It's like the perfect, oh gosh, it's a lot heavier.
Okay, like right here, Mom?
Da-da. Oh gosh. Mom.
Good?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Are you? It is now October, and Mom is just now having her housewarming party with all the church ladies and her friends. And so I'm just gonna vlog a little bit of it, and this is gonna go up before the whole house tour.
Me. This makes 1,000.
Okay.
Lord, we thank you for this day, Jesus. We thank you for this home that we are in, Lord. We ask you to bless this home, bless this family, Lord. And let it be a witness to others, God, about what you can do for them. Lord, bless this food, bless this fellowship in Jesus' name. Amen.
Amen. Chef P has prepared us a feast. Looks so scrumptious.
Terrible potato bacon.
Ooh, pretty cake. What's this? Oh, rolls.